Good day everyone, I am Rolly Castillo Lusa, also known as Biloy, applying for the position of Financial Analyst. I live at Phase 3, Block 8, Lot 6, St. Joseph Subdivision in Esloban, Lipa City, Batangas. To share my ability, behavior, effort and time within or even outside the company, as long as the company needs me is my objective. Way back November 8, 1995, I was born at Bucal, Padre Garcia, Batangas, and now I am 21 years old. I am the son of Mr. Ramilo Lusa, a truck driver, and Mrs. Jocelyn Lusa. Year 2016, I was graduated at Colegio Nalunsod ng Lipa with a degree, Bachelor of Science of Business Administration, major in Financial Management. I become part of different organizations like year 2005 to 2006, Peace in Order, Bucal Elementary School Pupil Organization, Bucal Elementary School, Padre Garcia, Batangas. Year 2011 to 2012, President, TLE Club, Bucal National High School, Padre Garcia, Batangas. Year 2014 to 2015, Vice President for Publicity, the Financial Institute of Responsible Managers, Colegio Nalunsod ng Lipa, Marawoy, Lipa City, Batangas. For more information, I recommended the following person as my references. Ms. Elisa L. Ricapranca, Instructor, Colegio Nalunsod ng Lipa, Marawoy, Lipa City, Batangas, 0917-528-5106. Engineer Ronald Balita, Instructor, Colegio Nalunsod ng Lipa, Marawoy, Lipa City, Batangas, 0912-540-1597. Mrs. Lydia La Rosa, Teacher, Bucal National High School, Bucal, Padre Garcia, Batangas, 0909-635-8998. The stated statement is absolutely correct under the law. I am willing to interview anytime and anywhere. Just call me or text me at 0909-5725-500 or just email me at rollylusa@yahoo.com.